if you look down here now, where it says field properties, here we have the field size for our field name, first name, we have 255, right? Now, this is a default amount that is assigned for each short text data type. And what we're going to do, we're going to change ours from 255 to 18. So I click in this area that says field size. I press the backspace button on my keyboard and then I'm going to type 18. And this is how you would change the field size for short text data type. And the example that we're doing today is the first name. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to type a description for our field name. So it's going to give us an idea of what the word first name represents. All right, so we're going to put here this represents the first name for the customer in our customer field. Okay,